first generation automotive. My dad is a plumber. I've got a brother that's a contractor, but I learned at about 12 years old that I did not want to be a plumber. My dad's a great plumber. His father was an onion farmer. He decided he didn't want to plant onions, so my dad went into the plumbing trade. I decided I didn't want to clean people's drains, and for some reason, I was attracted to cars. I mean, when I was 13, I got a car, and I was never good at it when I was young, but I always knew that my passion was going to be in the automotive industry.